Well, got a little something here that's kind of interesting. Scooter's got two beds. He sort of had this bed at one time. Here's his second bed. And it seems like Precious and Camilla have taken over Scooter's second bed. Yes, Precious, I'm talking about you. And you've been wanting to be in a video. You've been saying it's been a while, because you'll roll around on the kitchen floor. Yeah, Precious. Precious. What, you're throwing a tantrum because you've been caught on Scooter's bed? Yes, Precious. You are on Scooter's bed, and that is not your toy. That is Scooter's toy. Yeah, that toy that you're against. Camilla. Camilla. You do realize this is the dog's bed. Now the two of you, don't you understand? You've got, Precious, I'm talking to you. You've got cat condos. You've got, Precious, you've got a bed on the love seat. And Camilla, you've got a bed also in the bedroom. You've got a condo in the bedroom. And both of you have this box you lay on to look out the living room window. And you both have this box that you lay on, as well as your cat condo. That's a nice cat condo that was bought for you two. And then you've got a nice little base of a previous condo to lay on. And a bed. And look at this. A nice pillow reserved for the cat. So what do you two think you're doing on Scooter's bed? That is a dog bed. Nowhere does it say C-A-T, cat bed, does it? So you two should not be on Scooter's bed. So how about you two just get right up and off Scooter's bed so Scooter can use that bed or his other bed. Come on, get up off his bed. Camilla, quit pretending to be asleep. Camilla, Camilla, Camilla. Now, what don't you understand? This is a dog bed, not a cat bed. Yeah, Scooter's starting over. Is he starting over to see who's on his bed? Scooter. Hi, Scooter. Yeah, he's just going to drink some water. Well, we'll end this video, and he might want to talk to you two about being on his bed. Yeah, he's a noisy drinker, isn't he? Well, I'll leave it to him to see if he's going to evict you from his bed. Thanks for coming by, and these two are causing trouble again. See you next week.